Ahoy, mate! Having fun? You bet she is. She's proud of her boat and proud of her 1957 Ford. You can tell she appreciates beautiful design. The graceful symmetry of this most elegant Ford ever sets a new standard of automotive styling. See the 1957 Ford soon. Here's where. The 1.5 gainer. Fun to watch, fun to perform. And have you ever noticed that wherever exciting things are happening, there's usually a 1957 Ford nearby? This is the Ford Fairlane 500 Club Victoria. It's over 17 feet long and lower, more beautiful and more powerful. See and action test the new kind of Ford soon. Here's where. Wherever you find folks having fun in the sun, chances are you'll find a 1957 Ford Sunliner, America's best-selling convertible. And it's not just a fair weather favorite either. Ford's double-sealed, double-stitch top will keep you snug come rain or come shine. And it's fade-resistant, too. See it soon, and here's where. Birds of a feather fly together. Now, you'll probably never pilot an F-100 Super Sabre, but you can pilot a mighty new Ford Thunderbird, America's automotive classic, or a new Ford Sunliner, America's most popular convertible. And remember, the very same V8 engine that powers the famous Thunderbird is available in every 1957 Ford. Action test Thunderbird V8 power today. Here's where. Out west, when boy meets girl, boy gets girl. It's all part of the fun at a dude ranch. And if you go for the outdoor life, you'll go for the 1957 Ford Sunliner. Its new long, low silhouette and smartly styled vinyl interiors make the Sunliner the most thrilling version yet of America's favorite convertible. Here's where you can see it.
Come and get it!
It's Chuck Wagon breakfast time out west where the fun begins. And this 9-passenger Ford Country sedan fits right in. It's one of 5 Ford station wagons for 1957, America's most popular station wagons. And each one is lower, longer, wider, more powerful than ever. See the 57 Ford soon. Here's where. From the first drive to the last putt, the game of golf is an exciting one. And from your very first drive in a 1957 Ford, you'll know that here is another kind of excitement that'll always seem new. That's why you see so many new Fords wherever there are people who are really enjoying life. Action test this new kind of Ford soon. Here's where. It was a smooth flight, not a bump all the way. And for this man, the rest of the way home will be just as smooth. That's because he'll be riding in a 1957 Ford, the heaviest, most comfortable Ford ever built. Enjoy a big car ride in a low-price car. Action test the all-new kind of Ford for 1957. And here's where. Who's moving in? Well, we haven't met them yet, but we do know they're starting their suburban life off right with 2 Fords. Hers is the versatile Del Rio Ranch Wagon. His is the handsome Custom 300 two-door sedan. Have you found out yet that 2 Fords are easier and smarter to own than one high-priced car? Here's where you can get the facts.
Boldly modern styling, functional styling, now can be yours in a truck. Here's Ford's 1957 pickup with style-side body, standard at no extra cost. These straight-back sides give you the largest pickup body in the truck industry. And when you take the wheel, you'll experience new comfort, riding and handling ease that's mighty close to that of a car. Test ride Ford Style Side at your Ford dealer soon. They're boldly modern, modern through and through. New 57 Ford trucks. Look, it's more than a car. Look again, it's more than a truck. It's the new Ford Ranchero. Here, one of Ford's new tilt cabs from America's lowest price tilt cab line. And this modern pickup with style-side body, the most load space of any pickup. It's standard at no extra cost from Ford. See your Ford dealer soon. Now, at last, the style and efficiency of modern air transport is matched on the ground. Look, it's more than a car. Look again, it's more than a truck. It's the new Ford Ranchero. Look, sleek as any show pony, it rides and handles like a car. Look again, it's a real pack horse, too. Handles more than half a ton. Price? Less than you may think. See your Ford dealer. Traffic stopper and eye stopper as well. It's the new 57 Ford pickup with style-side body, smooth-sided to bring you the most load space of any pickup. It's standard at no extra cost from Ford. Boldly modern like all 57 Ford trucks, with modern advances that tell you now, more than ever, Ford trucks cost less. Less to own, less to run, last longer too. See your Ford dealer.
Rich? Well, perhaps not yet, but they feel rich. And who wouldn't when there's a new 1957 Ford waiting at the curb? This Fairlane town sedan is like money in the bank in terms of fine car comfort and limousine luxury. Yet it's all theirs at the low Ford price. It's the most automobile you can get for your money. Here's where you can prove it. From the first drive to the last putt, the game of golf is an exciting one. And from your very first drive in a 1957 Ford, you'll know that here is another kind of excitement that'll always seem new. That's why you see so many new Fords wherever there are people who are really enjoying life. Action test this new kind of Ford soon. Here's where. Who's moving in? Well, we haven't met them yet, but we do know they're starting their suburban life off right with two Fords. Hers is the versatile Del Rio ranch wagon. His is the handsome custom 300 two-door sedan. Have you found out yet that two Fords are easier and smarter to own than one high-priced car? Here's where you can get the facts. Here, on the sun-baked salt flats of Bonneville, Utah, a new 1957 Ford racked up 50,000 continuous miles in less than 20 days at average speeds better than 108 miles an hour. Nothing on wheels has ever gone so far in so short a time. Here's dramatic new proof that in performance and durability, nothing hurries, handles, or holds up like a 57 Ford.